model vehicle at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 2015 Dodge Durango Citadel, all-wheel drive vehicle. Now, if you watch our videos, you know once in a while we'll get a customer that they want to consign a vehicle, maybe have us sell it for them. And like I say in the videos, we do take trade-ins. So once in a while we'll get a later model one in, so don't blow us up too bad on YouTube that this isn't a unique or classic car. But hey, there's always people out looking for the later model ones too. We seem to sell quite a few of them, especially when they're as nice as this one. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a touch over 114,000. 3-owner vehicle. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price, and that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the paint in the front face and hood. Nice shape. Speaking of paint, that is billet silver metallic with a dark luxury leather interior. Take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us and sure inquire about this with a sales consultant at 507-386-1726. Take a look down this passenger side. This car is really not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, yeah, it's been driven a little bit. You may find an imperfection here or there, but overall, very nice shape, as is the interior. In the still pictures, we did take a picture of the window sticker, so you can see exactly how this thing is equipped. Just by glancing, you can see power seat, passenger side, so we'll have a power seat, passenger, and driver side. Center console, an automatic shift right there in the console, that dial, and it is going to be an 8-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Also has a sunroof. As far as the second row, it does have, they considered these the second row fold/tumble captain's chairs. And then it also has the screens you can see here. Driver's side one is up, and there's 2 wireless headphones back there too. So tell you what, let me kind of give you a rundown of what the optional equipment was on this vehicle. But again, you can take a look at the window sticker and see exactly. It had the optional technology group, which is your adaptive cruise control, the advanced brake assist, forward collision warning plus, blind spot, and cross path detection. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation on this one. It does have the rear DVD entertainment center that I just showed you. That is Blu-ray compatible with the rear seat video system there. You'll also notice on the rear of this, it does have the trailer tow group 4 with the 7 and 4-pin wire harness. 2-speed transfer case, so it has 2-speed on-demand transfer case. There's actually over 53,000 new. Again, check out that window sticker, uniqueclassiccars.com. So take a look down the driver's side here too, and really free of much any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I notice there's a little kind of one in the door. I don't know if I can get it to show up. That right there. It's being awful fussy. But yeah, take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll see what I'm saying. And you'll be able to see the seating surfaces in the back in the still pictures too. Not hiding anything here in the video. It's just how they ended up after we pictured it all up. And again, over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. Take your time looking through them. And remember, 3-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a touch over 114,000. Of course, your modern amenities from windows, locks, power mirrors, memory seating, cruise. Here's your power seat over on the driver's side. Seating surfaces, wearing very well. Again, considering age and miles. Steering wheel controls. Let's go ahead and start it up. I'll let you hear it run. Just like our classics, we'll check out underneath the hood. See how nice and clean that engine bay is. There's your miles. 114,002. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. We do have heated and ventilated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. Of course, the U-connect. There's that all-wheel drive auto, and then low range, of course. I'll do that. 2-speed transfer case. All right. Slip around to the back, let you run. Nothing out of the ordinary. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let me get this hood popped. And I don't know if I can get this one one-handed or not. Let's just take a peek here, see if I can. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Let me pause this 1 second real quick. Get the hood open, check that out. There we go. Take a look at the underside of this hood. This thing doesn't look like it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather or not. Was titled, I believe, in Iowa its entire life. There it is, 5.7 liter Hemi. And again, this paired up with that 8-speed automatic transmission, the overdrive, nice and clean and tidy under here. Not a bunch of corrosion, grime, crud. Nice, clean engine bay. You can tell this is a well taken care of vehicle, no doubt about that. And remember, stick around. We'll do a little driving video in this so you can kind of see what it's like to go down the road in it. A little virtual ride with it. 2015 Dodge Durango Citadel, 3-owner, clean Carfax. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable. Check with your sales consultant. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2015 Dodge Durango. This is an automatic right on the console with a dial. Good looking silver paint on this vehicle with a black interior. Digital speedometer. Air conditioning is blowing cold. Good acceleration in this truck. Smooth ride. Comfortable bucket seats in this car. If I let go of the wheel, this vehicle stays nice and straight in the lane. We have steering wheel controls for many of the features. Temperature gauge is 1/4 of the way up the gauge right now, and so is the fuel, reading of 1/4 of a tank. Factory tachometer on the left side of the gauge is working. Corners well. The odometer reading 114,001 mile currently. It is a very good condition vehicle. The inside looks nice, the outside looks nice. Very comfortable to drive, great visibility. We don't get a lot of modern SUVs at Unique Classic Cars. Take a look at this one on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com.